Hi everyone and welcome back to our akYtec Cloud series. In this video, we're focusing on desktops, the central feature for organizing and visualizing your data. Desktops in akYtec Cloud let you display real-time parameters, events, trends, and templates all in one place, giving you a complete overview of your setup at a glance. To create a desktop, go to the Desktop tab in the Administration section and click Add Desktop. Enter a name and assign it to a category, such as Main Facility Monitor, especially if you manage multiple desktops. Once done, click Continue to start customizing. Adding parameters is a key step. These are the data points you want to monitor, like temperature or device status. Click Add in the Parameters section. Name the parameter and choose it from the list. Use value highlighting rules to color code data, such as making temperatures above 50 turn red, so you can spot critical issues immediately. You can also add events to track specific alarms or changes, and up to 5 templates for pre-designed layouts or reports to save time. If you need trend data, you can add auto-renewable graphs to monitor how parameters change over time. Trends update automatically, helping you track patterns and make informed decisions. Once your desktop is ready, access it in the main akYtec Cloud window. View your data, resize report windows, and even save trends to your PC for further analysis. Desktops are your go-to tool for real-time monitoring and control, simplifying your workflow and keeping everything organized. That's it for today's video on desktops in akYtec Cloud. Stay tuned for the next part of our series, where we'll explore more features to help you get the most out of the platform. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.